In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select all dimensions at once in AutoCAD. If you've ever needed to adjust, move, or delete every dimension in a drawing, doing it one by one can be painfully slow. The good news is, AutoCAD has a built-in way to gather them all in a single selection, and it only takes a moment. Here's how it works. First, click on any existing dimension in your drawing to select it. Make sure you're actually clicking a dimension object. Hover for a second, and you should see a tooltip that identifies it as a dimension, and you'll notice the familiar grips appear. This tells AutoCAD exactly what kind of object you want to find more of. With that dimension selected, type Select Similar in the command line. You can type it in lowercase or uppercase, AutoCAD doesn't mind. Then press Enter. That's it. AutoCAD will look for objects similar to the one you picked and add them to the selection set. In most drawings, that means all dimensions are now highlighted together, ready for you to edit in one go. What's happening behind the scenes is simple but powerful. Select Similar finds other objects of the same type as the one you chose, in this case, dimensions. Depending on your drawing and default behavior, it may also consider certain properties, but for dimensions, the goal is straightforward. Grab them all at once. Once they're selected, you can make broad changes efficiently. For example, you might open the Properties palette and adjust text height, color, or layer for the entire set, or nudge them as a group. Just take a second to look around your drawing to confirm everything you expected is highlighted before you commit to any major edits. If you want to clear the selection, press ESC and you're back to a clean slate. A few quick tips if results seem unexpected. If nothing new is selected, you may only have one dimension in the drawing. If some dimensions don't get included, they could be inside blocks or external references which Select Similar won't reach. And in very large files, give AutoCAD a moment. It might take a second to highlight everything. That's all there is to it. Click a dimension, type Select Similar, and press Enter. It's a simple habit that saves time on every project. Thanks for watching, and try it on your next drawing to streamline your workflow.